Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about the 5 kingdoms of the living organisms. So let's start from Monera, Protista, Plante, Animalia. So in the first video, we will learn the first kingdom, that is Monera. We will not go so deep. We will only learn the important points. So now the first is Monera. As you can see here, this is the image of Monera, and these are the label parts of the first kingdom, that is Monera. So these are some of the important points regarding to the first kingdom, that is Monera. The first point, if you look carefully, then you will find that they do not have well defined nucleus. So they are mainly unicellular and prokaryotics. Second point is that cell wall may or may not be present. Means there may be cell wall or there may not be a cell wall. Third point is mode of nutrition. How they take the nutrition. Number 1, autotrophic. Number 2 is heterotrophic. They can make their food by themselves. Also they somehow depend on others, host plant, or to derive food. So this is some of the important point. Let us diagrammatically try to know about Monera. So before that, let us know that Monera is the simplest type in these 5 kingdom. After Monera, we will learn about Protista, fungi, Plante, Animalia. As we go up, Monera, it is very simplest type and little bit advanced type, that is Protista, and more advanced than Protista, that is fungi, more advanced than fungi, and more advanced than Plante, it is Animalia. So this is Monera. If we talk about the hierarchy, then let us first of all draw the pyramid. So first of all, we will learn about one of the simplest, that is Monera. Mainly bacteria, it comes under Monera. Secondly, little bit advanced, that is we will learn about Protista, and more advanced than Protista, we will learn about fungi, and more advanced than fungi, we will learn about Plante, and finally most complex and most advanced than all these 4, that is Animalia. So now we are learning about Monera, and slowly we will also try to cover Protista, fungi, Plante, and Animalia. Now if we talk about Monera, then first of all let us diagrammatically try to know about this. This is somehow a rough diagram. Mainly the bacteria, it comes under Monera. What we can observe in the diagram, we know in a cell there is plasma membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus. But in Monera, mainly in bacteria, the nuclear region is very poorly defined, or we can say that the nuclear region is not properly defined, and they are mainly unicellular. They are not multicellular, and they are prokaryotics. By listening this term, that is prokaryotics, we directly identify that the nuclear region is not properly defined. And now let us try know what is the mode of nutrition. Autotrophic. You have already heard this term in the junior sections about autotrophic. This is the one term, and another term, it is heterotrophic. Now what these terms mean, I know most of the students, they know the meaning of this term, but for the simplicity, let me tell you that autotrophic means it can prepare food by own self, and heterotrophic means it depends on other for food. Now we have know about host plant and parasite. We also in our junior classes we have learned about symbiotic relationships. Let's keep this concept away and let us know a day-to-day example, that is mosquito and us. We are the host and mosquito are the parasite. because mosquito take food from us, like they take food from our skin by taking the blood, means we are the host for the mosquitoes. So hope that this autotrophic and heterotrophic concept is clear. Now autotrophic means can prepare food by oneself, like we can take example of plant by photosynthesis process. They are being able to make their food by oneself. This is some of the examples of autotrophics and heterotrophic. And if we only try to know the important points, then this much it is sufficient, and more advanced and more brief concepts we shall learn in higher classes. But for now, this is all about Monera.